there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to part 2 of the gym mistakes you must avoid. Let's dive into the next 5 tips to ensure you have the best and most respectful gym experience. Number 11, practice proper gym etiquette. Cultivating a respectful and considerate gym environment is key. Follow established gym etiquette guidelines like sharing equipment, not hogging machines, and using your headphones. Imagine a gym where everyone remembers to be polite and considerate. Next up, number 12, stay hydrated. Hydration is crucial for your overall health and well-being during workouts. Always bring a water bottle and make use of water stations. Your body will thank you for staying fueled and ready. Number 13, clean equipment after use. Keeping the gym clean and sanitary is a must. Always wipe down equipment after you use it with the provided sanitizers. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Moving on to number 14, warm up properly. Prevent injuries and optimize your workout performance by including a dynamic warm-up before engaging in intense exercises. Tailor your warm-up routine to match your workout for the best results. And lastly, number 15, respect personal trainer sessions. Ensure privacy and concentration for personal training clients by avoiding interruptions. Wait for breaks or designated times to ask questions. Respecting their space helps everyone get the most out of their sessions. That wraps up part 2 of 10 gym mistakes you must avoid. Remember, practicing good gym etiquette not only benefits you, but also creates a positive environment for everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe with us. Click the link below to get started and learn more. Thanks for watching.